Can gardening count as an exercise? According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, gardening qualifies as exercise. In fact, getting out in the yard for 30 to 45 minutes can burn up to 300 calories. Going out into your garden and moving some plants around isn't going to give you a solid workout. When we say gardening counts as exercise, we mean full lot digging, mowing, lifting, and moving heavy pots. Anything that makes you work up a sweat. There are so many benefits to gardening. Getting outside and looking after that patch of space that you have can really benefit you physically, making you fitter and stronger. It can also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol in the body, along with helping to prevent several health issues such as diabetes, heart disease, and depression. Being in the garden can be good for you mentally, so why not make it good for you physically? Especially if you are older and looking to keep active without working too much, gardening is the perfect option. So if you are bored going to the gym or doing cardio and strength workout at home, better get out and work on your garden.